Welcome to C.C.JENSEN Info Center. Today we'll talk about what can be achieved by offline oil filtration on different mining equipment, focusing on crushers and mills and mobile equipment. So what will clean oil give you? Well, it will increase the reliability and profitability of the mine, reducing the downtime. You'll be able to eliminate 75% of the oil changes. That means one yearly oil change on crushers and mills instead of every 3 months. That's good for the OPEX as well as the environment. You'll also be able to decrease the downtime by up to 75%. And this is where the real savings can be found. So by increasing the production and minimizing the downtime. And finally, you'll be able to reduce the spare parts consumption by up to 60%, meaning longer life for mechanical wear parts such as bearings, gears, valves, etc., and create a more reliable equipment. This overview shows mining applications where oil is present and contaminated. There are huge savings to be found in any of these applications, but today we'll focus on crushers, mills, and mobile equipment. Crushers and mills are part of the processing equipment, and they live in a very dirty environment. So the dirty oil will decrease the lifetime and reliability of critical components such as bearings and gears. Clean oil, on the other hand, means less oil changes are needed and longer lifetime of mechanical spare parts and a more reliable processing equipment. The longer oil life is good for your OPEX as well as the environment. This is a case from a trunnion oil system on a ball bearing, equipped with offline filter. You can see before the filter was started, the ISO cleanliness was in the 25, so very contaminated oil and full of particles. In the initial cleaning phase, we are able to maintain the oil at an ISO code 18 because there's still contamination in the oil and on the components. After the initial cleaning phase, we're now able to maintain the oil at a very clean 14, 13, 11 on the trunnion system. And since 99% of the particles have been removed, this system is much more reliable and the mine sees great operational savings. Here are a few other cases on crushers where you see oil consumption being reduced by 83 to 92%. Also, large savings on pumps and inline filters goes directly onto your operational cost. Less downtime due to more reliable machines, less oil and parts being changed means a chance to get a higher profit. Huge savings can also be found on mobile equipment where unexpected breakdowns are very, very expensive. Dirty oil will increase the component wear and the maintenance cost. It will also reduce the lifetime of the machine. Clean oil will maximize the fleet availability, increase the life of the oil and the additive package, resulting in lower cost for oil, spare parts and maintenance. These oil systems on the mobile equipment will flush during a plant maintenance. No matter if you have 30 minutes or 5 hours available, you'll be able to clean it to acceptable levels during the scheduled service. Here, 99% of the particles in oil were removed by a CJC mobile flushing unit, creating longer life of the wheel motors, hydraulic components and gears. So to conclude, I'll end with the slide I started with. By circulating clean oil in your processing equipment as well as your mobile vehicles, you'll get a more reliable and profitable mine with less downtime. So you'll be able to eliminate 75% of the oil changes, decrease the downtime by up to 75%, and reduce the spare parts consumption by 60%. Thank you for watching. For more information or support, contact your local C.C.JENSEN supplier at cjc.dk/contact.